This is a small video tutorial on how to build a custom tool for yourself through ToolsEngg's. First, be sure of the type of tool you require. For this example we have chosen deburring ballnose end mill. Check the drawing to be sure this is the right product that you need custom built. Once this is checked, write down in the text boxes the diameter of the end mill, the shank diameter, it can be in inches or millimeter, then mention the overall length and the length of cut for this end mill. Type of flute needs to be chosen if you require a right-hand flute or a left-hand flute. Mention the coating required on the tool. Next, mention the workpiece material you are going to use this tool on. Mention if you require laser marking of the tool dimension on the tool. Does it have a Weldon flat? This is if you intend to hold the end mill through a Weldon side lock type tool holder. You can attach any tool drawing or a rough sketch if necessary for us to better understand your requirement. Also, you can add the end component dimension as well, whichever you feel will better make us machine the best tool for your manufacturing need. You can next write about the tool application if any. All these are for our tool designers to better design the tool for your custom need. The more the information we receive, the better it is for our design team to provide the best solution for your machining need. You can mention the type of machine you will be using for your machining process. Basic details are enough, such as is it a VMC, HMC or a turning center. Now click Add to Cart button after adding the quantity of tool required. The minimum order quantity is 2 numbers for each custom tool. For this example I am adding 3 numbers as the quantity of this custom tool. Recheck if all the entered details are correct. This will ensure all the correct dimensional details are received by our tool designer and a drawing is sent with accurate information on the first attempt. Now click on the checkout button once all details are confirmed. For this video demonstration we are adding test as the name and details, but you can add your complete details so that when we receive this request we can contact you back by mail with our official drawing. In this checkout page, choose the option Send with my shipping account and bank transfer as the shipping and payment options. This is just to collect your information and for both our teams to track this custom tool request. The status of this request will be updated by email and on our website, which you can view by logging in. The drawing that will be sent by us can further be modified by your team, and once the drawing is finalized we will share our official quote with lead time, which is usually around 2 weeks' time. Payment can be made through PayPal or Swift bank transfer, which we will inform by email. We will dispatch the material with inspection report through the mode of courier chosen mutually by us. Our courier partner is DHL, so we will mention the rates in our quote to you. If you have your own courier account we can send it through that as well.